Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your EVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video what we discussed, what is our lesson name? Our lesson name is clothing, right? So in this lesson, already we discussed our teaching part, right? Today we are going to discuss our little thinker part. So children, please go and bring your little thinker books, right? In that open page number 75. Open page number 75. Right. In that we are having a small table. We will discuss the table now. What is that? Discuss in your group and fill the table. Right. So what he gave first one? How does the material feel? Right? Next, here what he gave? When are such clothes worn? W-H-E-N, when, A-R-E-R-S-U-C-H, such, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, W-O-R-N, worn, right? So here he gave a table like this, and here he gave the fabric. Right. What is the first one he gave? The first one is cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton, right? So, how does the material feel? How does the material makes you to feel? If you are wearing a cotton clothes, how you will feel, children? Yes, that feel you have to write here. So, write down C-O-O-L, cool, A-N-D, and A-B-S-O-R-B, absorb, cool and absorb the, yes, here absorbs the sweat, S-W-E-A-T, sweat. Next, another column is there. What is that column? When are such clothes worn? When you will wear cotton clothes? During, D-U-R-I-N-G, during, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. So cotton clothes, how does the material feel? It makes you to feel cool and absorbs the sweat, right? So when you will wear cotton clothes? During summer, D-U-R-I-N-G, during, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Write down, children. Write down with good handwriting only. Right? Then another column. Next one. Next what he gave? Woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. So how does the material makes you to feel? If you are wearing woolen clothes, now we are in which season, right? So you are wearing what type of clothes? We are wearing woolen clothes, right? So how you will feel when you are wearing these clothes? You can feel warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Yes. When are such clothes worn? When you will wear? During. D-U-R-I-N-G. During winter. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. During winter we will wear this, right? Next. Last one. Synthetic. S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C. Synthetic. Yes, if you are wearing synthetic clothes, how you will feel, children? You can feel, makes you to feel dry, synthetic clothes, right? So it cannot absorb water, and the water will be roll off from the synthetic cloths. So how you will feel, how the synthetic makes you to feel dry, right? And when are such clothes worn? When you will wear, children, the synthetic clothes? During monsoon. D-U-R-I-N-G. During. M-O-N-S-O-O-N. Monsoon. During monsoon. Write down, children, write down fast. Write down with good handwriting only. Otherwise you can pause your video, then write down. Right? So what is the first one we discussed here? He gave columns. What are those? How does the material feel? And when are such clothes worn? Right? So first one is cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton, right? So how does the material feel? Cool and absorbs the sweat. C-O-O-L. Cool. A-N-D and A-B-S-O-R-B-S. Absorbs. T-H-E. The S-W-E-A-T. Sweat. And clothes. Write down here. When are such clothes worn? So when you will wear cotton clothes? During summer. D-U-R-I-N-G. During S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Next one is woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N. Woolen. Keeps you warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. And when you will wear woolen clothes? During winter. D-U-R-I-N-G. During W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. Next, last one is synthetic. S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C. Synthetic. Makes you to feel dry. D-R-Y. Dry. So when are such clothes worn? D-U-R-I-N-G. During M-O-N-S-O-O-N. Monsoon. Right? Finish it, children. Then turn the page number 76. Page number 76. Here what he gave. Read the question. Ratna is in Chennai. It is very hot. Help Ratna choose clothes to suit the weather. Circle the clothes she can wear in the city. So, where Ratna is living? She is in Chennai. So, the weather is very hot. So, Ratna choose clothes we have to help Ratna to choose the clothes which is suitable for her weather. Right? What is the first picture? He gave sweater, muffler, winter cap, everything, right? So here he gave sweater and winter cap also he gave. Right? This is the first picture, right? And second picture what he gave? Yes, here raincoat. And a hat, right? And third one is a cotton frock. Cotton frock. Right. These are the three different clothes he gave. And where she is living? She is living in Chennai. There the weather is very hot. So, what type of clothes we will select for Ratna? Sweater, winter cap? No, because the weather is very hot in the winter season. When you will feel very cool, right? Coming to here, raincoat, hat. When you will wear raincoat and hat? In the monsoon, right? Because everywhere rains are there. So, we should wear raincoat and hat. The last one is cotton frock. When you will wear cotton frocks? Yes, those we can wear it in the summer season. In the summer season. So, if the weather is very hot, what type of clothes you will choose for Ratna? Tell me children, select one. Yes, we can select the cotton frock. Circle for the cotton frock picture. Here you can do the circle like this, right? Next, second one. Observe what Aditya is wearing. It is summer, winter or monsoon. Tick the right box. So there he gave a picture, right? Observe what Aditya is wearing. It is summer, winter or monsoon. Tick the right box, right? It is summer, it is winter, it is monsoon. Right? Here what he wear? See the picture? He wear sweater, right? and a winter cap also is there. He wear gloves. So in which season we will wear this type of dress? In the summer or winter or in the monsoon? We will wear it is in the winter. Tick for the winter season, right? It is winter. Tick like this. Right, children? Next. Finished? Then we will go for the next one. Next. Observe the picture given below. It is raining heavily. Tick the child who is wearing clothes that suit to the weather. So here, yes, he gave 3 pictures. So for which season we have to select? It is raining heavily. So monsoon. So what type of clothes we have to wear if the rain is continuously coming? We should wear raincoat and hat, the middle picture, right? So tick for that picture, children. See here, you can tick like this. That is the next one. Understand? Right. Next. Turn the page number 77. Page number 77. Label the clothes the people in the picture are wearing using words from the help box. 2 have been marked, right? So already he marked 2. What are those? Kameez, salwar. Kameez, salwar, they mark like this, right? So like that only we have to mark the remaining dress, right? So first one is a shirt. Shirt. So where you can find shirt? See here the first person. First person is wearing shirt. So you can keep like this. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt. So to those pictures who are wearing those dresses, you can mark like this. Right, children? Next. Dhoti. See here you can mark dhoti. And sari. Who is wearing sari? Here you have to identify everything. Here the dhoti. Here sari. Here you can identify the blouse. Right, children? Next. Here you can mark kurta. Dhoti and kurta, right? Next. Kameez. Jeans. Yes, children? Blouse you can mark here. T-shirts. Here also you can observe a t-shirt and here also you can observe a t-shirt. Shorts. Here you can mark shorts. Salwar already has done. Trousers. So everything you can mark here. Right, children? Next. You can do it like this. Otherwise I will send you the PDF file, children. No problem. Right? Next, among the clothes you have labeled what do you like to wear, why. So among all the clothes you have to write what do you like more and why. In page number 77. Down he gave, I like to wear. Most of the boys like jeans, right? Always asking to your mother, I will wear jeans, like this only, right? So you can write jeans because. Why? What is the reason? You can write because I like it. ఎందుకు వేసుకుంటారు జీన్స్? Because you like it, right? So write down, children. So I like to wear, among all the clothes, what you like, right? So many different clothes he gave and you have to label like this, and which one is your favorite you have to mark like this. So write down I like jeans because. What is the reason? You can write it. I like it. Right, children? All of you understood? Write down up to here, children. Tomorrow we will continue the remaining little finger part. Thank you, children. Bye bye.